In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Instagram account on iPhone. We'll go step by step inside the Instagram app so you can follow along and feel confident about every tap. Before you start, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent after a short grace period. If you think you might want to come back later, deactivation is a temporary alternative. Also, if there are photos or messages you want to keep, consider downloading your data before you begin. Open the Instagram app on your iPhone and log into the account you want to remove. From the main feed, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. In the top right, tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From here, go to Settings, then tap Account Center. Account Center is where Instagram manages account ownership, control, and connections, especially if you have multiple profiles or linked accounts. Scroll down and select Personal Details. Next, tap Account Ownership and Control. This is the section that lets you make decisions about deactivation and deletion. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. If you have more than one account connected, you'll be prompted to choose the specific account you want to manage. Select the correct account so the changes apply to the right profile. On the next screen, choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Instagram will also show an option to deactivate your account. Deactivation hides your profile and content without removing anything permanently, so it's a good option if you just need a break. Since we're deleting, continue with Delete Account. Instagram will ask you to select a reason from a drop-down menu. This feedback helps improve the platform and it's required to proceed. After choosing your reason, you'll be prompted to re-enter your password to confirm your identity. This is a security step to make sure the request is really coming from you. Finally, tap the Delete button to submit your request. After you do this, your account will be deactivated immediately and scheduled for permanent deletion after 30 days. During this period, do not log in. Logging back in can cancel the deletion and reactivate the account. If you're sure you want it gone, avoid opening the app or signing in on any device. That's the full process on iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.